Hello and welcome to Thrive in the Kitchen. I'm Kelly Batista, Director of the Brian D. Jellison Cancer Institute at Sarasota Memorial. For this video series, our team develops specialized recipes that focus on overall health and wellness for cancer patients undergoing treatment or in recovery. Soon we will hear from one of our expert registered dietitians and our executive chef, who will be introducing a new recipe in each video, providing nutritional information, ingredients, and step-by-step instructions. Now let's get cooking with Thrive in the Kitchen. If you're following a vegan meal plan or looking for a new recipe to try, this vegan tuna might be for you. Tofu is condensed soy milk. It's made into blocks or crumbles. Tofu is a good meat alternative containing 8 grams of protein and 3.5 ounces. Vegan mayonnaise is made by combining soy milk and oil. It contains less saturated fat than traditional mayonnaise. However, always use mayonnaise in small amounts. Nutritional yeast flakes contain vitamins, minerals, and essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Amino acids aid in tissue repair and prevent muscle loss. Turmeric is a flowering plant of the ginger family. It's grown in Southeast Asia. It's sometimes called the golden spice. It gives food its yellow flavor. Turmeric can add flavor to meals while also providing a healthy boost of antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. Antioxidants prevent degenerative diseases such as cancer, arthritis, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. Curcumin is the most active compound in turmeric, giving it its many health benefits. Unfortunately, it's only provided in limited amounts, making it poorly absorbed. Pepperin is a natural ingredient in pepper, which boosts the absorption of curcumin. That is why pepper and curcumin are usually paired together in recipes. Sometimes it's fun to try a traditional recipe in a different way. Let's get cooking.